time for another unboxing. Alright. Let's see what's up. Okay. I think y'all should know what this is from the title. In case I didn't write down, it's gonna be Taimanin Yukikaze. I think you all know that I've been a Genshin player. Oh, what's this? Is that the stand? I think it's the stand. Okay, let me just get everything out. Actually looks real time good. Oh, so cute. Who needs to go to AFA? Right. Fucking sticky residue. Let's get it out. Oof. Oh my god. Dull sword. Is she missing her hand? Since I'm here, let's see. No matter. Let's take a closer look. Oh. Drop this piece. Oh wow, looks so cute. The legs move, head move. I guess let's try a sword. I'll just change the head as well. So take this out. Come on. This a bit dusty. A bit dirty, oh, but that's cool. For me, how about the sword holding hands? Oh, nice. Let's change the here. The sword with the silver sword. Let's see. Let's try it here. Right there. Oh, that's so cute. Oh! Let's try something else. So I changed the face back and the hands. Oh, she has some wings. I believe it's here. So let me put this back. They're all soft plastic, so no real worries about breaking anything. There's no manual, something like that. But it all fits well enough. So this is her without the stand but with the wings. Okay. Oh my god. Alright, let's open up that stand. Okay, it came with an extra joint for the head, I think. But let's see the stand. Using Phillips head screwdrivers to tighten it. So that will be later on, but let me try if she can plug into the stand. Right, it's right there. Let's see here. I should plug into the back of the wings right here. Yeah. Alright. Yeah. I think I have to tighten the joints a bit more, but just fun. Oh my god. I wish they would release more Nendoroids of the Genshin characters. So let me put this to the side and move on to our main event, which is this. Oh, what the fuck? I already fucked up during shipping. Let's hope nothing's broken. Space review. I think it's like boss. Stand. I can see extra pieces. Oh, look at the face. Nice, nice, nice. Good, good. Worry about it. Oh, but everything is there. I'm gonna displace it with that here. Nice. But I'll open it up. Boxing. Okay. Let's fix the head first, I believe. Jesus Christ. Now let's fix everything first. Okay, just gonna see it first. It's not good. It's not good at all. A lot of fragile pieces. A lot of places where things are loose. Not good at all, not good at all. Yeah, just waste 30 bucks. There's just a butterfly joint in there. How are these ball joints? Come on. Oh, they stick really well. How about here? How about the hands? I think the main problem is the hands. I'm probably gonna make her perpetually short hair. Yeah. I don't even know if I'm gonna review this one. Where are the hands? Let me skip ahead. Alright, so I think I'm gonna definitely mod her, but for the sake of review, I'm just gonna show my thoughts after the review and then do the modding subsequently. Probably making her into a tomboy like character. Other than that, I'm done with this unboxing because I had a good time with Lumine, but then I had a very bad time in terms of expectations because the previous two Sagi Taimanin figures were pretty damn good in terms of bootlegs, but this was way below my expectations. Full review when I do have the time to go to it. Right, thanks for watching, have a good day.